won't leave me alone. Why won't you leave me alone? Hey, stop it. Stop being kids. Shit, there's so many. No, ow, ow, orange cats. God damn it. No. No, don't. Hi, Pom Pom. How you doing? How you doing, girl? Yeah. Mwah. Love you. Hi, Gwen. Oh, you God, you're so crazy. You're so crazy, Gwen. No. Why are we all so crazy? Hi, Adrian. How we doing? Leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. Please. Leave me alone. Please. Leave me alone. Ah, stop it! Stop it. Oh my god. I don't want to sit down, but I'm going to sit down. Oh my god. No, stop it. Sit down. And then they all come after me. Stop. Everybody's so crazy. Hi. You're precious. Hey, stop it. I don't really enjoy. No, stop it. Stop it. Why are we crazy? Who are you? I don't know who you are. You have to go. No! Stop! Leave me alone! Thank you. Do you have my phone? Hey, hi Gwen. Here's the phone. Oh Jesus! What are you doing? You got a thing on your back. Yeah. No. No. What are you doing? Stop. Why is everybody so crazy in this room? Look at you. Oh my god, you're so naughty. Hey you, Mister, I think. Yeah. You should be Mister. Hey you. You're precious. Hey, don't you fight. Fighting over here. Hi, Mister. You're the sweetest one here. You haven't been attacking me. You either. You haven't been attacking me. Oh my god, you're so... No, don't you attack him. Okay. Don't you dare. You're the shit. You're a cute dog. No. No.